Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp communities. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp and I will show you how to start your first community, and at the same time, I will explain what are those communities. So first of all, we click on community on the bottom menu. So I will show you example of communities. As you can see, for example, this is an example of a community. So first of all, we have the community, all the community itself. The second part is the announcements, like what are the announcements of this community, and of course announcements can be made by admins. The third part, is the groups that you are already part of them, and the fourth part is the community, the groups that you can join, and the fifth part is the groups like you can add to the community, of course, if they are relevant to communities. Okay, so this is another example that you can see here. So let's start our community. So click new community, click get started. Let's call our community YouTube channel. And as you can see, we can add a photo to the community. And this is the description of it. So for example, they put this description for you. Hi everyone, this community is for members to chat in topic-based groups and get important announcements. Click on create. And as you can see, this is our community created. We can create events in that community. We can make announcements. Let's click view. Okay, it tells me that I'm an admin. So here we can make any announcement that we want. And of course, to make an announcement, you should be an admin. Of course, this is also, we have a group. This is the first group. And we can also create another groups in that community. So you can think of a community as a company, and those groups are departments inside the company, and that announcement is the CEO or the owner of the company telling something to his to the people who are working with him. That's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.